I don't necessarily think that for all families in all circumstances that saving money is necessarily the best thing to do in life. I mean, if you really tell your kids they can, whatever it may be, they never go to the movies or will never go to Disneyland or something of the sort, because if I save this money 30 years from now, we'll be able to stay a week instead of 2 days. I think there's a lot to be said.
Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors, believes that anyone can build wealth from scratch. In this video, we explore his timeless principles for financial success, focusing on starting early, practicing frugality, and making smart investments. Whether you're beginning with nothing or looking to enhance your financial journey, these steps will guide you towards achieving your goals. Before we dive in, if you've ever considered investing, the first link in the description will lead you to Interactive Brokers, the platform I personally use and highly recommend for its robust features and competitive pricing. Introduction to wealth building. Wealth building is a journey. It requires patience, discipline, and a clear understanding of your goals. Starting from zero can feel overwhelming, but it is entirely possible. The key is to take small, consistent steps towards financial independence. Wealth is not just about accumulating money. It is about creating a stable future for yourself and your loved ones. The principles of wealth building are universal. They apply to anyone, regardless of their starting point. Each choice you make today can lead to significant changes tomorrow. The importance of starting early. Starting early in your wealth building journey is crucial. The sooner you begin, the more time you have to grow your money. This is especially true when it comes to compound interest. Investing early allows your money to work for you over time. Many successful investors began their journeys in their youth. They learned valuable lessons along the way. Warren Buffett made his first investment at age 11. His early start set the stage for his future success. You do not need to be an expert to begin. What matters is taking that first step. Practicing frugality in daily life. Frugality is more than just saving money. It is about making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. Living below your means allows you to save more and invest wisely. This habit can significantly impact your wealth over time. Every dollar saved today can be invested tomorrow. Avoiding unnecessary expenses is part of this practice. Focus on what truly adds value to your life. Simple changes can lead to substantial savings. Cooking at home instead of dining out is one example. It's healthier and cheaper. Frugality empowers you to prioritize your financial future. Earning and saving, the foundation. Building wealth starts with earning and saving. It is essential to find ways to increase your income. This could be through a side hustle, freelance work, or a part-time job. Every extra dollar earned is an opportunity to save more. Once you begin earning, make saving a priority. Set aside a portion of your income before you spend. This habit builds a strong financial foundation. Consider automating your savings to make it easier. Many banks offer tools that can help you save without even thinking about it. Understanding smart investing. Investing is a vital part of wealth building. It is how you turn your savings into more money. Understanding the basics of investing is essential. Start with what you know and gradually expand your knowledge. Investing does not require a large sum of money. Many platforms allow you to start with a small amount. The key is to begin and learn as you go. Diversification is also important. Spread your investments across various asset classes to reduce risk. The role of compound interest. Compound interest is a powerful tool for building wealth. It allows your money to grow exponentially over time. The earlier you start investing, the more you benefit from this effect. Reinvesting your returns can accelerate your growth even further. Understanding how compound interest works can change your approach to saving and investing. It is not just about how much you save, but how long you let it grow. The longer your money stays invested, the more it can multiply. If you're concerned about your financial security and are thinking about investing, check out the first link in the description. It's the platform I use, Interactive Brokers. Click the link to learn more. Learning from mistakes. Learning from mistakes is a crucial part of the wealth building journey. Every investor faces challenges and makes errors. The key is to learn from these experiences. Warren Buffett famously said, "It's good to learn from your mistakes, but it's better to learn from other people's mistakes." This wisdom rings true today more than ever. In 2024, the financial landscape is complex. New investment vehicles emerge frequently. Understanding the pitfalls of these options is essential. By studying the mistakes of others, you can avoid common traps. This proactive approach can save you time and money. Reflecting on your own mistakes is equally important. Each misstep offers valuable lessons. Assess what went wrong and why. This reflection can help you make better decisions in the future. Embrace mistakes as opportunities for growth. The goal is not to avoid mistakes entirely, but to learn and adapt. Living below your means. Living below your means is a fundamental principle of wealth building. This practice allows you to save more and invest wisely. Warren embodies this principle through his modest lifestyle. Despite his immense wealth, he continues to make frugal choices. Frugality does not mean deprivation, it means making smart financial choices. Focus on necessities and avoid excessive spending. For example, consider your housing situation. A larger home often comes with higher costs. Opting for a more modest dwelling can free up funds for savings and investments. Every financial decision counts. Small changes in your spending habits can lead to significant savings. Cooking at home instead of dining out is one way to cut costs. Being mindful of your purchases allows you to prioritize what truly matters. This approach strengthens your financial foundation. Setting savings goals. Setting savings goals is vital for building wealth. Goals give you direction and motivation. Begin by determining how much you want to save. This could be a percentage of your income or a specific amount. Having a clear target makes it easier to stay committed. Once you have a goal, make saving a priority. Treat your savings like an expense. Set aside your desired amount before spending on anything else. Automating your savings can simplify this process. Many banks offer tools to help you save effortlessly. Review your goals regularly. Adjust them as needed based on your financial situation. Celebrate your achievements along the way. Acknowledging progress keeps you motivated. Remember, every bit saved brings you closer to financial independence. Diversification and risk management. Diversification is a cornerstone of smart investing. Spreading your investments across various asset classes reduces risk. This strategy protects you from market volatility. Warren Buffett advocates for diversifying your investments to safeguard your wealth. Understand your risk tolerance. Younger investors can often afford to take more risks. As you age, consider shifting towards more conservative investments. Balancing your portfolio helps ensure stability over time. This approach allows you to weather market fluctuations. Stay informed about your investments. The financial world is ever-changing. New opportunities arise frequently. Being aware of market trends enables you to make informed decisions. Diversification is not just about spreading your money. It's about understanding how different assets interact. Reinvesting your profits. Reinvesting your profits is a powerful strategy for growth. Using returns from your investments to make more investments accelerates your wealth-building journey. Warren Buffett has often emphasized the importance of reinvesting for compounding growth. Consider how reinvesting works. If you earn returns on your investments, reinvest those earnings. This method allows you to earn returns on your returns. Over time, this compounding effect can lead to significant growth. Explore options for reinvesting. Many companies offer dividend reinvestment plans. These plans automatically reinvest your dividends into additional shares. This hassle-free approach enhances your investment growth. Stay updated with market trends and adjust your strategy as needed. For those seeking to take control of their financial future, platforms like Interactive Brokers can provide access to a wide range of investment opportunities, allowing individuals to participate in the market and potentially build wealth over time. Click the first link in the description to learn